Hello and welcome. My name is Renee Thomas, and I am a software construction specialist with Sakai Consulting. Today I'm going to be giving you a little background on navigating their Sage Construction Management software. Because it is a separate login from your Sage Intacct, you'll need to start off by entering your username and password, as well as your company ID. When you log in, you'll open up, and as you can see, there are several checkboxes. When you check or uncheck these, information appears and disappears, so you can customize that to the most pertinent information to you as the user. There also are green underlined items. Those are hyperlinks. When you click them, they go to different aspects. For this is an alert settings. So when you go under here, you can customize what settings are related to these alerts. So you can check and uncheck boxes to have them appear or disappear. In order to return to the application, you just click return to application. As you can see, there's a sidebar. It disappears when you're not on it, but if you hover over it with your mouse, you will get a list of all the different areas of this product. As you go through them, you'll have different sections that open up different aspects of your project and your items related to keeping track of that project. One of the areas we'll take a look at is projects. Under projects, you'll see it opens to an overview. When you click on this number, it hyperlinks you to the list of projects that you have in your system currently. You've both quick jumps to certain items, as well as you can just click on the project and it'll open up that project's homepage. Again, all underlined in green items are things you can click on because they're hyperlinks to those areas. You also have a jump to page at the top, which allows you to scroll through all of the different features, and you can click on them directly and it'll bring you directly to that page. So we got to the photos page just by clicking that jump to. Another aspect of this is at the top of all your pages, once you get into them, it gives you all the areas that you previously were, and you can quickly hit this hyperlink and return back to the area you saw before. You have 3 tabs here that you can go through for each project. It gives you a general info as well as linked files. You also have your quick links, which has a favorite section that can be customized to each user. You just click on the manage favorites, and once again, it's just check boxes that you can check off, and then you click return to application. Beyond that, down at the bottom, you have your project menu. This is every feature related to this section of the project. So when you click on any of these hyperlinks, it'll bring you to this section directly. The procurement overview, if we click it, you can see it opens up all of this information. It also has hyperlinks to all different areas as well. So any of those you can click and get directly sent to that area. The last thing I'll show you guys is the accounting link. In the accounting link, when you click it, you'll click OK and it opens as a second page. In this section, you have both tabs to look at certain aspects of your project that you want to sync over to Intacct, and within those you also have hyperlinks to different areas, and you can customize what items you want to go over, or you can just do a large batch send over. So that is your linkage to your Sage Intacct once you have this program connected. That is the navigation of Sage Construction Management. I hope that gave you a good look at kind of how to navigate the program, and have a great day. Thanks.